This is the home button. So you press the little home button. Then you come over to Chrome. That's your internet.
The whole
let's just go
internet.
to YouTube. What y'all doing in class, Ms. Coleman?
Motion.
Okay.
Okay, what y'all doing in class, Nicole? Let me get. I'm trying to get this tutorial down.
For 8th grade?
Mm-hmm.
8th grade science. Where your pens?
Oh, here you go, pumpkin.
Oh, did you notice that?
Yeah, this
Come with two.
yeah, the other one's in my box. Do I need both of them?
They different.
Oh,
Yeah, they got different ends. Like one is skinny and one.
Oh, is that why that one was so fat? Then
Yeah.
maybe.
One of them skinny.
And you know they
And they stick up at home.
yeah.
Did
they
not know
magnetic.
that.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Yes, learn me something.
So we're gonna go with this one. Oh, and then okay, so you see how we don't hear nothing. Swipe up.
See, we wouldn't know none
In
of it.
slightly more technical words, motion is defined
can
as a
also-
change in the
You can
position
also
of a
get to
body
that
with
from over
time.
here, right here.
Yes, change in the position with time.
Okay.
For example, when an object is moving
So
from
pause
point
it.
A to point
Mm-hmm.
I'll go back
See, I'm
home.
smart. I knew she was gonna pause it.
This little thing look like tabs on a computer. So it's gonna pull up everything that you've been doing. So we're gonna hold down our notes, which is the chalkboard, and then we're gonna click the internet.
Come
Similar to
on.
how we do it on our laptop, our Microsoft
Basically,
laptop.
yeah.
Gotcha.
So we're gonna click that.
Told you you ain't need no training. But here is your training. Use it. Next period.
is changing its
Our
position with
video's
time.
playing.
We saw that the time is also changing along with the position. So it is undergoing motion. What are the types of motion that we had studied previously?
Pause it. Cause she asked a
Four
question.
types of motion.
So, class, what are the types of motion that you saw? She was blah 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 blah.
Okay, I got something that's cool for you. Okay.
Come on, cool.
Okay. I was going to exit out. Just swipe it over.
Oh,
Tell her
okay.
goodbye.
Whichever screen you want to go to. But and you can make it as big and as small as you want to.
Like you just did.
So, but I want to use the internet more right now. So I'm gonna bring it all the way over.
Okay.
Close it down. Pull it down. Go to Google, because we were gonna use all these bubble maps and flow maps and stuff.
Okay.
So I'm gonna pull up a bubble map.
And then you can show Tori how you did yours too.
Gotcha.
Mm-hmm.
Bubble map.
Oh, but I know what
So
she's
that way
about to
it's
do.
like
And you can write
already-
right on it. Oh my
Instead of
goodness, that's
having
even
to
better.
create- Hold on.
Oh.
Then you hold it down and download. Continue. Allow. You don't gotta do that no more.
Oh, wonderful.
Come
Thank
on.
you.
Okay, so you download that. Now we go back to our notes. Exit out of that. Don't say that. How rude.
So you click the
Click
little note
these
thing.
little hamburger tab, and then you're gonna click background. Mind you, with the background, you can change your color. You can change the texture. You can put lines, grass,
Mmm.
any little thing. But you can also put custom, and then you press that, and we just downloaded something.
You gotta tell me how you
So
learned all
press
this stuff.
download, and then you click bubble. Okay.
Oh, hold on. Can we change? Let's change the texture.
Oh yeah.
The background.
So you change the
Let her do it.
texture.
She won't try to do it. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Background texture, and then I
Nothing.
don't want any lines, and I want to write some.
Look at her. She just couldn't even wait.
So
Wait, hold on. No, I really
The
couldn't.
pen. She ready.
The color.
Oh, I had to change my color.
Yeah, so
Oh, snap,
they're
okay.
different colors too.
Oh, yeah, 'cause that
So
was
this
white.
one's black now,
Oh.
and then you just pick this one up, and they know. So we're gonna make that one purple.
And you don't have to keep
And you
changing.
can
Oh,
also
let me see.
write at the same time.
Ooh, we about to go crazy.
So you can
Go
have
crazy.
You have two scholars come up at one time and
And fill
it
in
in.
our adjectives.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
and then
way
they
cool.
mess up. Yeah,
And I'm
that-
about to-
or if you don't want to delete the whole thing, you can delete it one by one. one, or you can do that, and do it like that.
Yeah.
I love it.
Oh.
Thank you for using your lunch break. Oh, she want to show
something.
something.
Cause when
Oh, you want to
split-
save that
when
though,
you do-
probably.
yeah,
Can
you
we
can.
save that and send it to Google Classroom after
Well,
we do
it's
it?
always gonna be on the after you finish,
Mhm.
like write it stuff. Yeah, you can save it,
Okay.
and then but it's already downloaded, so.
Okay. It's
Once
already
you exit
kind of
it out.
saved.
Wait, okay, but if we wanted, so
So
let's
you
say
wrote
we want
motion
to
and da-da-da-da-da.
want to save it.
Save
Where does
it.
it save to? Does it save to the tablet or does it automatically go to my laptop?
I don't know about that.
Oh.
But
Did you
I
log
think
in
if
on
you-
this?
If you logged in on that, it's going
With your name or it's just on?
I don't remember. I have to go back and check.
Okay, so go ahead and save that for me, and let's just see where it comes up if we ever go back and look for it.
And then you name it. Bubble.
So, motion.
Okay.
Motion bubble.
And just put BM bubble map.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Smart. And then you press OK, and now it's saved to notes in here.
Oh, okay. So at least you know it's on the notes.
Yeah. And then, so if you want to use split screen and you want the screen to have the bubble map, I suggest doing, because it'll be stretched out weird. You, no, not that. You go here, in this little button,
Mm-hmm.
so you can take a screenshot of it.
Oh, just that little area.
Oh yeah.
Or just a bubble map. And then this E equals MC.
Mm-hmm.
So this just takes a little planning if you want to really use it and be getting down. You know, you would
Mhm.
take the
That's what-
pictures and do all your download.
And then, so now it's in the notes. This is chalkboard. And then you move it over here.
Snap. And then I can write on this side.
Look how she making it bigger
But you
too.
stretch it, because I'm doing this so I can do the tag team. And then do that. I don't know why I always want that to be over there. And then now you
And now I
have
got
your
my
internet,
video.
so video with the
So get
bubble
that
map
video
over
going
there.
back for me, please, one of
You
y'all.
do it, you do it. I'm biting on my pipe.
Yeah, go ahead and eat your. Thank you. Because let's think about what we're having our students do. We want them to be this way when they come present things. So let's try to move from the board lectures to using these types, so they get to see the daily phenomena. They get to see something in their face that doesn't look like, you know, just us writing or
We want to get that way, it's a touch screen.
Say that one more time.
touch.
No,
It's
it went
gone.
away. But if you want to get away faster, just touch it.
Oh, okay. Let me try that.
And your mom calls out your name and asks you to run some
You
errands.
touched it fast that time, didn't you?
You can imagine how
So I would wanna
difficult
get
it would
all
be
that
for you
off
to
the
get
You
up
also got the
and do
remote.
the
You can
work.
also control with the remote too.
Oh.
You can control the volume.
Imagine you're practicing for your 100 meters race on this track, and
But
somebody
look,
asks you to stop.
Every time she touch it, it
immediately
go
within
away.
a second.
Okay.
Will you be able to do it? What if you're suddenly asked to turn towards the right?
Ooh.
Will you be
You
able
gotta,
to
it's
turn
on the
immediately?
mouse.
one?
The
Look.
answer to both the
So look at
questions
the
is
toolbar at the
no.
bottom. You see it's on the mouse. You gotta click the
That's
pen.
what you're saying. I have to click that.
You can
Okay,
also turn,
gotcha.
but not sharply. And guess what?
Mhm.
It's the same story with every object. Every object will
Okay.
Pull up two tabs.
Mm-hmm.
So you click that, and we'll click and hold, and we'll drag our notes
Oh.
over here, and then we'll click our thing over there.
I love it.
That's
And
awesome.
watch the video
And make
and
And be writing notes about it.
as the video is playing.
Look at that. Now you can teach and teach from your video as you go. Very,
And then if
very
you want to
good.
put it back, you just drag it.
Off the
I'll
screen.
be using that
And then if
today.
you want to take it away, you still can do this too.
Okay, to go back to the other stuff.
Thank you.
Well, thank you, Miss Arnold.
You're welcome.